Alright, Elite Co 3 here. This is going to be one box of 2017 Certified Football. This product just came out today, so I've already busted a few boxes of it. It looks pretty damn good to me. So the exact same setup as in years past. Usually 2 autos and 2 memorabilia cards, and like the Immortals, rookies out of like $9.99, $2.99, and then like 2 or 3 base cards per pack. So this is what the base looks like. Pretty similar to last year. I think they did a good job with the quality control on these cards, though. I say that because the card has just come out of the pack fresh and good condition. I haven't seen a lot of dings. So here's a base rookie, Buda Baker. I don't really know who that is, but let's put any parallel and stuff on this side. We have, this is just like a parallel to $4.99. They've done these in the past too, and then that's cool. Patrick Mahomes. That's the gold team insert, which I'm a fan of those. So far I really like the product. Alright, I had to grab my soft sleeves. This is the type of product that I like because you get a lot of cards. I'm not into the products usually where you get like 1 pack and 5 cards. I just think that takes all the fun out of it for like set building or even like collecting. So here's the Saints. I think they got into the first round. This is Ryan Ramczyk. I think they used the pick. I'm not sure on this one, but I think they used the pick from the Cooks trade. Can't confirm that, but and then Certified Shutdown is kind of like a low tier insert. So, and they're not numbered. There might be parallel versions numbered, but I haven't seen it yet. So a couple of base at the front, and then this would be kind of like your orange or mirror orange, if you want to call it that. So there's a Robert Kelly parallel, and then Certified Accomplishments, Tim Brown. That's cool. And then there's just a base Rodgers. So I think the cards look awesome. This is my 5th box of it, and I haven't had a points card yet. And you get 1 of the RPAs per box. I like the design of the 2016 better, but they still look pretty nice. That's for a couple of Von Millers in a row. That's just for the RPAs. Overall design, I mean, I would say it's pretty similar to 16, which isn't a bad thing. I don't think you need to change things around when things are working. Here is a TJ Watt Certified Potential to 99 auto. See, I've kind of gotten back into breaking boxes a little bit. And then Lorenzo Alexander. I guess I'll sleeve some of these and do a box recap so people can skip to the end. I don't have to watch the whole thing. Alright, we'll just put that over there. And then of course you have the chance to add 1 of 1s, you know, emerald greens to 5. Here's one of the jerseys, which actually look pretty cool to me. And the only problem is it's kind of the same problem I've seen with Certified over the years is the lowest tier of the jerseys are not numbered, which, I mean, it'd be nice if they were at least numbered out of like 600 or something. So Juju Smith-Schuster, so a Steelers box. This is actually a cool card. This is one I would actually grade just because it's Brady. Certified Champions, and it's like a Super Bowl insert card, so that's neat. We'll sleeve that one up. What are box prices on this going for? I think they're like 95 to 100 right now. That's cool. It's a superimposed image of Peterson, but still he's in the Saints jersey. $2.99 on that. And then Ryan Kerrigan Certified Shutdown. I'm not really a huge fan of that one. of that type of insert set. Chiadobe Awuzie. Here's a Zeke. That's cool. 140 rushing yards on 30 attempts. September 25th. So that was like, what, week 3? Wonder if it's game used. I'm going to say it's event. Player worn. Back in the day, they used to do a lot more of the game used stuff. Certified accomplishments. I actually like this type of insert because they kind of do a little summary of the player's season, and it's just a neat looking insert. So there's the Breeze base. What are we waiting on? We're waiting on the RPA. Mortals Jim McMahon. There's a red DeAndre Hopkins. Beckham, the offensive rookie of the year from 14. This should be it. Yeah, it's in here. We got an orange. Joe Williams orange to 349. It's a nice design overall. I just kind of liked how last year it was more zoomed in on the player, but the patch window is, I think, bigger this year, which is definitely not a bad thing. So overall, nice looking cards. So Joe Williams, who figures to get, he's the rookie from Utah. He's supposed to get some snaps this year. The patch is kind of weak. That one's out of 349, so that would be the mirror orange. And then we have a certified champions, James Harris. So that wasn't the best box, but a lot of cards, a lot of parallels. So we got the Joe Williams, the Zeke, the 399 jersey, the Brady inserts, Juju Smith-Schuster, not numbered, TJ Watt, who actually sells pretty good, to 99, and then a bunch of inserts, parallels, and then a stack of base. So that's all for this product. Later.